Hello, Mission CISD. This is your District Instructional Technologist, Armando Sierra, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about a new feature called Drive File Stream, Google Drive File Stream. This is a way to have all of your Google Drive documents available on your PC as if you had an extra hard drive installed on your PC. So in the very near future, the technology department will be deploying a application to your computer called Drive File Stream. All you are going to have to do is sign into that Drive File Stream one time and you will see your Google Drive and all of the team drives on your computer. So in order to do that, go ahead and click on your Start menu on the bottom left-hand corner. Then type in Drive File Stream and you're going to see an app that looks just like this. Go ahead and click it one time and a window will pop up in the center of your screen that asks you to sign in with your MCISD.org email address. So go ahead and sign in, then hit next. Then you're going to type in your password. This is your regular password. And then hit next again. And it's going to take about 35 seconds or so for it to go ahead and launch. And we're going to see a window pop up again in the middle that will say welcome to Google Drive File Stream. So Google Drive File Stream is actually really beneficial to you as an employee because now you get to see all of your files directly on the computer. Anything that's in your Google Drive will be seen directly on the computer. You're going to save disk space by only downloading the files that you need. So everything, remember, is being held in the cloud. So as soon as you open up Google Drive File Stream or you open up a file in Google Drive, you double click on it and it'll automatically download that file into your computer. Then you hit next again. You can also make items available offline if you want to edit without a connection. So if you are using a laptop and sometimes you do not have Wi-Fi at home, you can go ahead and make these files available offline and now you're going to be able to use them without a connection. So after that, you'll actually see Open Google Drive folder. So you can go ahead and click on that one time and it's going to open up this window right here. And it's going to look as if it's your another drive on your computer, on my computer. So here I have all my drives that I have available. And so here's one of them. It's going to be the Google Drive File Stream G drive, and it shows you how many files are on there. But it works just like a hard drive. So you double click on it. Now you're able to see your drive and your team drive. So if you go into my drive, you'll see all the folders that you have available. All of these icons that have the Google Documents, Slides, and Sheets icons on them, if you open it, you can open it directly from there and it'll open a Google Chrome window for you. And then if you go into any of the other files where you have Word documents, you could actually open them the same way. So I'm going to go back to Google Drive File Stream and I'll show you the team drives. Here are the team drives. And you can open up any of the team drives that you need to directly from here as well. So if you wanted to actually save something into your Google Drive file stream, you could actually open up the Drive file stream, open up my drive, and let's say I want to go ahead and save this one document right here. If I click on it and drag it directly in here, it'll say copy to my drive. Yes. And now we see that populate right here. So this again is your My Drive. It is all available there. But I'm actually going to go ahead and show you all what it's going to look like on Google Drive using Chrome. Once you open up Google Drive in Chrome, you're going to see that same file, which was this one, populated there. So it is there, and it is also here. Just like that. What we would like for staff members to begin doing is to begin saving their files in Google Drive file stream so that they don't have to use hard drive space. This will also eliminate the need to have pen drives or USB flash drives. So again, all you would have to do is, instead of saving it onto a flash drive in your computer area or on your hard drive itself, you would actually save it into Google Drive file stream. Hopefully this will help you all out. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me, Armando Sierra, and my email is aesier83 at mcisd.org. Let me know if you all have any questions. Thank you.